Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to go over how to add external resources to an already existing onQ course. This will include how to add test students to your course. To begin, start on the onQ homepage, scroll down and click on Course Creation Tool. From here, find the course where you'd like to add these resources. I'm going to do it in this course. Click on it, and here you will see all of these tabs that you can add external resources to. So you can click eReserves, create this course. Once your eReserves course has been created, you can enable perusal, and you can also enable feedback through interactive documents. Then you can go over and enable Turnitin. This will add Turnitin to your assignment folders. You can also add a Microsoft Team account for your course. And to add test students, you will just click on here, enter the name for your test student, and add your email. And the test student has been added. And that is how you add external resources to your already existing onQ course. Thank you. Take care.